We are making it out today. Our goal for today's ride is make it to 2 different waterfalls. One I've driven past, one I found on Google Maps, and it looks beautiful. Excited to finally make it there. We are going to be taking Route 14 from Geneva down to Watkins Glen, running along the Finger Lake. It's supposed to be a beautiful ride, so excited for that. We are going to try to find a coffee shop in Watkins Glen and then make our way around and see what we can find. Alright, so how sick is this? You have a waterfall on one side, turn around, and you have the Finger Lake on this side. This side is sick, 100% worth it, recommended, and this is only one of 2 waterfalls that we're doing today, besides the bonus one that we saw on the way here. Let's jump back on the bike and make our way. Alright, don't know how they know that we're here, but we're gonna make it to this little overlook footbridge, and then we are gonna jump back on the bike, make it back across that sweet bridge, take the park road down to the fall overlook. Oh. Holy cow. Alright, so that's not even what I said holy cow to. Look at this. One day when I have more time, I'm gonna go sit on that rock over there. Okay, so one of my goals was to try to get here before the visitor center closed so I could get a sweet sticker, and unfortunately I didn't make it. They closed at 5, and that is exactly when I got to the other parking lot at the top. So that's unfortunate, but I will definitely be back to this place because this is the most, dang it. See? They're so strict in New York with drones. I got super lucky with the first video that I made, but we will be back. So, let's go over here and show you guys why I made it all the way down here. You guys see it yet? Look at this. How sick is this? You can literally just park right there, make your way down a few stairs, and get this beautiful view. Obviously, a lot of people like to be here. One of the pictures that I saw was in fall, so all the leaves were changing, and it looked amazing. But what can you do? We are making it here now. Okay, so patience isn't my strong suit, but it has gotten me a free little lookout. Alright, so this is the final spot for today, and it did not disappoint at all. Now I am going to make my way out of this park, make it up to my family who's on the lake, and we're going to spend the rest of the day on the lake. As you can see, running late, of course, like always, but 100% worth it. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next one.